Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. In this occasion, allow us to present this project with the title Discovery-Based Learning and its Implementation in Physics Learning. Before that, let me introduce our team. Our Aika Aulia, Denisa Rizka Mulia, Fitratul Ilahiyah, and Ivo Jihan Anjuye. And then my lecturer, our lecturer is Sylvie Yuliasari, SPD, MPD. For the first presentation from Fitratul Ilahiyah, to you is welcome.
Okay, thank you, moderator. This study aims to determine the application of the discovery-based learning model in physics learning. This study is a qualitative method with a description type with a learning approach and that can encode and enforce in the student knowledge and skill to become better and apply scientific principles and apply the discovery-based learning model in accordance with the syntax in the 2013 curriculum. Okay, I will return it to the moderator.
Okay, thank you, Fitratul. The next presentation from Aika Aulia to you is welcome.
Okay, thanks moderator. Definition of discovery learning model, discovery learning. Discovery according to Hamdani, 2011, page 104, a mental process when students assimilate a concept or principle. According to Jamarah, 2008, page 22, in discovery learning, teaching is arranged in such a way that children acquire knowledge. Discovery learning model is one of the student certified learning models, student contest, where this learning model involves many students in the learning process. Next, characteristic and objective of discovery learning. Characteristic of discovery learning of Hausman, 2014, page 284, suggests that there are three main characteristics of learning to find. It can be conclude that the discovery learning model, discovery learning objective, Bell 1978 in Hausman, 2014, page 284. Draft discovery learning, students learn to find patterns in Conrad. Students also learn to formulate question and answer strategies. Discovery learning helps students form effective ways of working together. Okay, I will return to moderator.
Okay, thank you. For the next material from Denisa Rizka Maulia, to you is welcome.
Okay, thanks to moderator. Now I will next the result and discussion of the analysis of the topics we raised. Third, teachers' role in discovery learning. Dahar 1989 in Hosnan 2040, page 240. and 46 suggest that there are several roles of the teachers in discovery learning, namely as follows. First, problems for students to investigate. Second, presenting learning materials needed by students to solve problems. Third, presentation that is interactive, iconic, and symbolic. Next, teacher should act as a mentor or tutor. And then last, studying generalizations with the findings of those generalizations. Advan and next advantages and disadvantages of the discovery learning model. Afandi et al. 2030, page 100, suggests that there are several advantages and disadvantages of the discovery learning model, namely, one, considered to help students develop or increase the supply and mastery of students. Two, the knowledge gained from this strategy is very personal and maybe solid knowledge in a deeper sense. Three, students feel the role of the investigation for the student to move forward according to their own abilities. Five, students feel more involved and so motivated to learn. And six, discovery process. Next. Discovery learning model in the learning process. The professions take in the application of the discovery learning model according to Brunner in Cahyo 2013, page 214a. The profession stakes include one, determining the learning objectives. Two, determine the identification. Three, course material. Four, students must study inductively from examples of generalization. Five, develop learning materials in the form of example, illustrations, assessment, and so on for students to learn. And six, organize lesson topics. And last, seven, assessing student learning processes and outcomes. And then discover learning model application procedure according to Shah in Cahyo 2013, page 249 suggests that in applying the discovery learning model in the classroom, the stakes of procedures that must be carried out in the teaching and learning activities in general. First, stimulation, students are faced with something that causes confusion. Second, data processing, processing data and information that has been obtained by students either through interviews, observation, and so on, and then interpreted. Third, verification. Students carry out a careful explanation to prove whether or not the hypothesis. And last, generalization process which emphasize the importance of mastering the lesson of the meaning and rules of the underlying principles. Thanks for attention. I will return to the moderator. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Denisa, from the presentation by our team. The conclusion is through some of the explanation above, it can be concluded that discovery learning is a model for developing active student learning by discovery for themselves through exchanging opinions, discussing, reading for themselves, investigating on their own, and trying on their own so that the results obtained will last a long time in students' memories. Okay, I think that's all from our team. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.